Dennis.
And Michele.
And we had time to re-record this video because we wanted to get us on some tips about traveling when you have big layovers and you haven't checked ahead of time to see what time the airline actually accepts baggage check-in. So long story short, here's what happened this morning. We start off in Memphis, Tennessee. We forgot to find out what time Hertz opens up their gates so we can park the car that we rented. So we got there at 3:30. They didn't open up until 4. Our flight was out at Memphis at 6, and so we kind of had plenty of time. But the only opening was to park the car in Alamo's parking spot. Whoops. And the Hertz lady says, well, we're going to have to take it, and you know, you might, you know, you can come back and check it back in at 5 o'clock. And I said, we're going to be on an airplane at 5 o'clock. So long story short, she was kind enough to get us checked in and all that kind of stuff. But know what time the parking lot to your car rental place opens. Secondly,
if you're hungry and you have a long layover and you can't check your bags, go to the international terminal, especially like at LAX or San Francisco, where they have lots of eating places and you can put your bags on a cart. We have plenty of them.
Here's our cart. So, yeah, because what happens, we got to Hawaiian's terminal this morning, and they said, well, you know, your flight's not till 5 o'clock this afternoon, and it's 8:30 in the morning. We can't accept your luggage until 1:30 in the afternoon. So we're going, well, that's not very good. Anyway, it all turned out, we found that the international airport, which is what you see behind us, is much more comfort, and they have food available, restaurants that's not inside the check-in gate. So you can just walk right up, have a meal, and it's a nice place to kind of rest and relax. And so it's more built for comfort. So 10 hours from now, we will be back in Hawaii. We had a pretty good trip with Mom, and so until later, this is Dennis and Michele signing off.
Aloha.
Aloha. I hope you enjoy this travel tip. God bless everybody.